Hello there, my name's Kevin Rose. I work for Haynes International Motor Museum and I've been getting a Mini 850 ready for Goodwood.
My car drives fast. I never go slow. Thinking about wasting my time, girl. Better think no. My car drives.
Have you been to Goodwood before?
I haven't, no. It'll be my first visit. We're just testing the Mini 850 today. So we're taking it to Goodwood for 3 days. We'll be going around on the parade lap for everyone to see and enjoy with the other minis. We've had the car out of the museum for about a week, about 5 days. There's a few flat spots.
Oh, okay.
So we're gonna bring it up a bit more. Feels really good actually. Whoever restored it has done a really good job. The car is 1965, so it's one of the earlier minis. It's a little 850. So yeah, drives very well indeed.
Taking your time, babe. Taking your time. Taking your time. 'Cause my car drives fast.
So what are you wearing to Goodwood?